Can we do it?
The drone has landed. The motors stop, the propellers stop spinning, and the mission is over. Right? Not quite. For a professional drone team, landing is actually the beginning of another important process. First comes the post-flight inspection. Operators check the drone, propellers, motors, batteries, and other equipment for anything unusual after the flight. Then comes the data. The images, videos, measurements, or other information captured during the mission are transferred and reviewed. Depending on the project, this data may be processed into maps, visual records, inspection outputs, or reports. The team also checks whether the required area was covered and whether the captured data meets the mission requirements. And there's one more step people rarely see: preparing the drone for the next mission. Batteries are checked and recharged as required, equipment is organized, and the flight records are documented. This post-flight workflow is important because professional drone operations aren't just about what happens in the air. It's also about what happens after the drone comes back to the ground. Organizations such as Garuda Aerospace follow structured operational workflows to support drone missions across different applications. So the next time you see a drone land, remember, the flight may be over, but the work isn't.